Start with a slip knot. And chain 32. Next round, one single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, one single crochet in the first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and in the next stitch make one single crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1 and 2. Now repeat this. Skip the next 2 stitches and in the next stitch make one single crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Skip 2, one single crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Repeat this all around. In the last stitch, you will make one single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, in this first single crochet, you will make one single crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Now the next stitch will be making it in the single crochet from the previous round, this one, that's 2 double crochet and this is a single crochet. So in this stitch you will make one single crochet and 2 double crochets. Now repeat this. This is the next single crochet, single crochet and 2 double crochets. This is the next single crochet, one single crochet, 2 double crochets. Now repeat this until the end. One single crochet in this last stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Now keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. I'll show you one more round. This is the first single crochet. Here you will make one single crochet, 2 double crochets. This is the next single crochet, one single crochet, 2 double crochets. Repeat this in rest of the stitches. This is the stitch. 1 single crochet, 2 double crochets. One single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Now continue repeating this round. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.